Hello guys, welcome back. It's me, Adele, and today's vlog is about unboxing. I got my parcel from LUX. So LUX skin, but yeah, it's like that. So it's a IPL laser hair removal. So guys, because I'm so problematic about my sorry for that, about my armpit. We know that shavings, it costs you a dark color, armpit. So I really wanted to make it a bit brighter, although I try to less using deodorant, but of course if you have a work, we need to. So yes, so that's why I end up checking online, and I end up on this kind of home thing that you can do at home at your own convenient. So yes, so ayan na siya, binuksan ko na guys. So nakalimutan ko na kailan siya dumating, but that's the box. It's quite cozy, maganda yung box niya guys. And then meron siyang manual, of course. So it's a LUX skin IPL laser hair removal user manual. So it says here, do I need to shave before using? So there's a Q&A here, facts and answering questions. So question, do I need to shave before using? And answer, yes, you must shave before each use to get result. And then there's a question, I want to use on my face, but I don't want to shave my face. Answer, for face, you can use a derma blade, which is a very cheap tools available at most supermarket. Okay, so, and then is IPL suitable for my skin tone? Answer, IPL is suitable for all but the darkest skin tones. Refer to the skin tones chart below to see whether or not IPL is suitable for you. So that's the color. So mine is maybe in here, so I'm suitable. So hindi siya pwede guys, it's not suitable for really dark. I don't know why, but so IPL is suitable for my hair color. Question, IPL relies on the melanin in the hair absorbing the light energy, and therefore IPL is not effective on a very light blonde, red, or gray colored hair. Siguro hindi niya na-detect guys kasi laser nga siya, diba? So babasahin ko siya later kasi how to use and tips for the best result. So it's really good. So before that, I'm going to show you. Let's read about the benefits. So the benefits, one is use the LUX skin IPL handset to reduce hair permanently. So that's one of the result. And the next is result is a little as one session. So no need to charge, just plug the device in and go. Painless and fast to use. Save thousands compared to salon. Totoo na naman guys, no? Because when I check it online in the salon, ang mahal. Mahal ka guys. So suitable. Use in a comfort of your own home. Yes, like what I said. Because suitable for all body areas. So pwede siya on bikini, armpit, on your face, but you must, like what it says here, you must shave with the derma blade for your face and your arms and legs. So pwede siya guys. So that's, and let's see what it's look like. Tcharan! Ang cute niya guys. Ang ganda niya. Ayan siya guys. Eh, baliktad ako. So, ganyan siya guys. Diba? Maganda. So, I think ganyan siya. Tapos, dahil hindi naman siya rechargeable, so, kailangan mo siyang isaksak. Wala, malayo yung saksakan sa akin, guys. Pero, yan siya, guys. So, yan lang naman yung laman niya. Saksakan at ito. So, soon, tatry ko muna siya. Tapos, ito yung pinaka-laser niya, guys. So, tapos ito yung on. Ayan. So, dito siguro. Tapos, meron siyang level of kung ano level. 1, 2, 3. Hanggang 5 ata siya, guys. Kasi na-check ko na siya online. And, about the review is really good. That's why I end up with this one. It's funny because I thought it's on really sale. Because when I saw it online, it says 39 pounds something. So, it's really sale. Because when I check it original, it's about 100 pounds something. So, I grabbed it 39. And then when I went into paying, it went to like 57 something. Well, it's not really bad because the original price is nearly 100. So, I grab it. I'm really wish we had I had a plug, but yeah, I'm too far. Well, anyways, so this is what it looks like, guys. It's really cute, no? Yeah, so I'm excited, guys, to use it, and hopefully I will update you what will be the outcome. So, kasi ay nahiya ako. Bigla ako nahiya. Kasi maitim siya eh. Guys, medyo brown out yung ano ko, kilikili. So, it's quite a bit dark. There's a mini typhoon there. So, that's why I have to use this. And then I will update you guys when I first use it on the day 1, maybe after 2 weeks. And then I will update you. So, that's it, guys. Nothing up here on the back. So, that's all. Hope you enjoy it, guys, and for you to know more about this, just ask the help of Mr. Google. It helps you. He will help you. Yes. So yun, guys. So hopefully you enjoy this, guys. Thank you so much. And if you're to my channel, please do subscribe, and please comment down below. So I love to see and read all your comments, guys. Again, alright, babes. See you on my next vlog. Thank you. Bye.